The next look in this Halloween season is Delores from Beetlejuice. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss all the looks coming up next. Starting with a fully concealed and very pale base and brown powdered filled brows, we're going to go ahead and add hair strokes with a double-sided pen, great for fine details. I'll link it and all materials used today in the description below. Moving on to the lips, we're going to fully line them and cover with the rose liner. Blend a very soft brown edge. Cover to the edges with a matte lipstick. Working with my favorite palette linked below, blend a dark gray shadow over your whole lid. Blend into the crease. Blend a lighter gray on the edges. Darken the outer corners with a little black shadow and drag outwards. Add to the inner corners. Carry along the whole bottom lid. Blend into the crease. With a warmer gray, begin to contour your entire nose to give details back to the face. Blend up into the brows. Carry on to the sides of the face to bring back some dimension. Carry along the jawline. Detail the muscles and anatomy of your neck and chest. And as always, blend. Deepen the finer details of the nose. Highlight the bridge in a white powder. With a black body paint, line your entire upper lid in a thick, messy line and blend into the outer corners to connect to the lower lids. Carry along the whole bottom lid. Start adding streak details and smudge with your fingers. Use a tapping motion with the tip of your brush for finer spot details. Add a dramatic lash. Take a muted dark brown shadow and start making the seam lines. This line is soft and blurred, so smudge it out. I decided to add more smudges and dot details to the eyes. Blend the muted brown into the outer corner crease and drag outwards to extend the eye area. With the black body paint, draw a thin line down the center of your seam lines you created. Darken up into the start of your brows. With a lighter cool tone brown, smudge a shadow line on the sides of all of the seam lines. Using metal ductwork tape, cut rectangles for the stitches and stick on. I chose to make mine very thick and add more than she had for some drama, but you could cut them much thinner and space them out more. Shade the edges of each stitch messily as you go. Sometimes you get to the end of filming and realize your hair is just too curly and all wrong and you have to fix it. And that's better. For final detail, add the same seam line to your ring finger, darken the whole finger, and add a stitch, and you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know you have a huge selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm just so very grateful each and every time you choose to watch one of my videos. I'll see you next time.